Hello everyone. Welcome to our first video this week. Assets, new quick way to make money online. It is possible to make money online relatively quickly. The catch is that it takes work. The fastest and most affordable way to make money online is to leverage your assets. First, sell your stuff. Selling unwanted and unused items from around your home is one of the fastest ways to make money online. Services like eBay, Amazon, and Craigslist make it easy and affordable to list your items and reach potential buyers. Start by gathering items from around your home that you don't want or use. Every room of your home is a source of sellable items such as toys, books, movies, electronics and electronic accessories, clothes, decorations, collectibles, memorabilia, and sports and fitness equipment. Even broken items are potential income if you can salvage parts a buyer might need. Decide where you'll sell your items. Amazon works well for books and DVDs, but you aren't limited to just those items. Nearly everything you can sell on eBay can be sold on Amazon. Thank you for your continuous support. Continue to like, subscribe and share. You have always been supporting us from the beginning, and because of that, we offer you a free account to start your online money-making opportunity. Just copy the link below and sign up for free. Second, sell your skills. There are many ways to sell your skills online, but one quick way is through project sites such as Amazon's Mechanical Turk and TaskRabbit. These sites connect businesses and individuals who need help with tasks with micro-workers who can do them. The tasks vary from data entry, research, virtual support, and more. You won't earn a living by completing tasks, but you can earn extra money. On the side, signing up as an online micro-worker is free. Once you sign up, you can search tasks and bid on the projects that interest you. To increase your chances of getting chosen for the task, create a professional profile that highlights your skills. Third and the last, sell your expertise. People need information and they usually start their search for answers online. Don't think you're an expert? Think again. Everyone knows something and odds are there is someone who wants that knowledge. Whether it's about business, relationships, spirituality, technology, gardening or something else, there is a need for information you have. You can sell your knowledge through blogs and ebooks. But a faster method is through online resources that connect experts with paying clients. Ether is an online resource that offers a way to connect with people who want your information. Ether gives you a phone number that forwards to your home phone and the ability to decide when the number will work or when it will take a message. You can set your own fees, which are collected by Ether and paid to you when a client contacts you. Ether is free to set up but collects 15% service fee based on what you charge. It is possible to make a quick buck online, but it's not through do-nothing scams. Whether you sell your stuff, your skills or your expertise, you'll need to take action, provide something of value, and market yourself to find buyers. Continue to like, subscribe and share. We offer you a free account to start your online money-making opportunity. Just copy the link below and sign up for free. That's it for our video today. Thank you for watching and continue to have a great day ahead.